Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. If you are new, welcome to my channel, Cooking with me, ChefQe. It's Cookmas Day 3, and we are making another copycat recipe. We are making Panera bread's broccoli cheddar soup. Before we get into it, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. Share this video with everyone you know, and let's cook. Okay guys, so this is just a quick overview of all the ingredients that I'll be using. So I have some butter, some onions, garlic, some matchstick carrots, some flour, got some broccoli here, you can use fresh or frozen. I have some shredded cheddar cheese that I shredded myself. Also be using some half and half, along with some chicken broth. And for my seasonings, I'll be using the Morton's Nature Season Blend. You can just use the all-purpose seasoning. I'm also using some pink salt and some black pepper. Okay guys, I'm going to start by prepping my ingredients. So I'm going to dice up one small onion and set it aside. Alright guys, so now I'm going to take 3 of my fresh peeled garlic cloves. I'm going to give them a nice good chop and set them to the side. Alright guys, now I'm going to chop my fresh broccoli into florets and set it aside. And guys, this part is actually optional, but you can definitely save these stalks. They are perfect for vegetable stock. Alright guys, I'm almost done with prep, so the last thing I'm going to do is grate my 8-ounce block of sharp cheddar cheese. Alright guys, so now we're finally ready to start cooking. So to my pot, I'm going to add in a half a stick of butter. I'm going to melt that over a medium heat. And then I'm going to add in my chopped garlic and let that saute for about a minute or two. Alright, now I'm going to add in my chopped onions and allow them to saute for about 2 to 3 minutes, just so they can soften up a bit. Alright guys, so now I'm going to go in with my seasoning. So once again, my Himalayan pink salt, black pepper, and my all-purpose seasoning blend. And then of course I'm going to adjust it to my liking once it's done. Alright, so now we're getting our roux together, y'all. So I'm going to add in my 4 tablespoons of flour, give it a nice good stir or a nice good whisk, and we're going to allow it to cook for about a minute or two just to get rid of that raw flour taste. Alright, now I'm going to whisk in 2 cups of chicken broth, making sure I'm whisking vigorously to get rid of those lumps of flour. Now I'm going to add in 2 cups of half and half. You can also use milk. I'm going to bring it to a simmer. Alright guys, so now I'm going to add in my carrots. I ended up adding in about 1.5 cups. You can add more or less depending on your liking. Alright guys, same way with the broccoli. I added in about 1.5 cups as well. Alright guys, so now our broccoli and carrots have joined the party. We're going to bring it up to a light boil, pop the lid on, we're going to reduce the heat and let it simmer for about 15 to 20 minutes. Alright guys, so this is how it looks 20 minutes later. As you can see, it has thickened quite a bit. So now I'm going to turn off the heat and then stir in the cheese. Alright guys, so that's pretty much it. We are done. So we're going to give it a nice good taste test, adjust the seasonings to my liking, and then we're going to plate up. Alright, you guys, serve this delicious soup with some bread or in a bread bowl and you will not be disappointed. Thank y'all so much for watching and coming to cook with me. Make sure you like this video, subscribe to the channel, comment down below what you think of this recipe, follow me on all my social medias, and I will see y'all in tomorrow's video in Cookmas Day 4.